Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to model this bed in 3D Max. First, I will start with the headboard. I'll go to extended parameters, use chamfer cylinder, and I will make the radius 80, height 12, and the fillet I will use only 2. Now for the cab segments here, I need one loop every 10 cm, so I will type here 80. I will turn on slice and make the amount 180 degree. Now I will go to the modifier list and I will add edit poly. I need to extrude this part here 80 cm. So I need to select these polygons over here. Okay, but I will not select them by using control. I will use here one option called by angle, and I will click so to select them all one time. Now I will extrude these polygons 80 cm. And this cap segment here, I don't need it, so I press delete. Now if I add here turbo smooth, you will have soft corners all around. And now I need to get this groove over here. So I will select this edge by double click. I will select all this loop and give it an extrude -2 and amount 2. You can see the result now. So I will add now turbo smooth on. I have now a smooth curve all around. Now for this chamfer cylinder, you can always go back to the parameters, change if you want the height, the radius, but you cannot change here the segments. The parameters will be okay, and you will still keep the geometry of the object. Now I am going to add a more fluffy look for this polygons over here. So I will go to edit poly, and also I will select this polygon by angle. You click here. So this all polygons will be selected together. Let me turn first the turbo smooth off so you can see the polygons I'm selecting. And now I will use shrink one time, another time, and move this polygon on the y-axis. Okay, I will make -1. Now, if I turned on turbo smooth, you will see that you have an extra rounded look over here. Now for this groove, I need to make piping, so I will go to edit poly, select this polygon that I extruded before. It is selected from before, so I will click here, create shape. Now I will turn on turbo smooth. Now I will select this SP line. And I will go to the modifier list, make it enable in renderer and in viewport, and make the radial thickness 1. Let me change the color so you can see it better. And now I'll go to the left view, select this piping, and move it a little bit in the x-axis. Now you can give it a turbo smooth and give it the same iteration you give it for the headboard. Now I will go to the top view, and I need to make the bed box, so that will be a regular box. I need the parameters to be 218 by 157 and the height 30. I will go to the front view to adjust the position, and I will move it upward 10 cm because the wooden leg is 10 cm. I will use the status bar for that. Now I will add here edit poly, and I will detach the sides first, and click here, edit geometry, detach. And now I will also detach one copy of this side, detach, and I will delete the box. For these sides, I will add shell modifier and make the inner amount 5. Also, for this side, I will add shell modifier, but I don't want it to be going inward. I will make the inner amount 0 and make the outer amount 5. Now I will add chamfer modifier, make the amount 0.2, and also the sides here I will add chamfer modifier and give it also the same amount, 0.5. Now I will start with the bed legs. I'll go to the front view. I will draw a box and I will make the parameters 10 by 10 by 5. Now I will give the width segment 2 segments, and then I will add edit poly, and I will extrude this part 5 cm. Now I will give the object chamfer modifier, make the amount 0.2. In the top view, I will move it here at the corner, and I will give it another copy over here using symmetry modifier. So I will first go to hierarchy panel, affect pivot only, and move it to the middle of this box. And then I will add symmetry modifier and use the x-axis and flip. Now I will drag a copy to the headboard using shift, and then I will use here mirror in the y-axis. I will adjust the location for both legs in the front view and move it upward. And this is the final result after I added mattress, pillows, and the materials.